Welcome to Jobs in Nagaland. Here are some of the most important job updates of this week. Let's get started. Putuonu Hospital Kohima is hiring for the following post. 1. Maintenance cum driver. Candidates must have a valid driving license and experience in both two-wheeler and four-wheeler. Second nurse. GNM, BSc, or MSc qualified candidates may apply. Bring a written application, CV, and relevant qualification or experience certificates. Salary will be based on experience. For walk-in interview, contact HR office at +91 98 63 24 1 357 between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or leave a message. Walk-in interview for program manager in community health for 3 years. Educational qualification preferred, Masters in Public Health or MSW in Public Health, Community Health, Medical and Psychiatric, Social Work, Health and Development. Work experience, minimum 3 to 5 years in implementing health or community-based programs, leading teams at village, block, or district level, and experience in maternal and child health with government systems. Skills required: strong leadership, team management, community engagement, proposal writing, monitoring, evaluation, and willingness to travel extensively in rural and remote areas. Salary ranges from $30,000 to $50,000 per month, based on experience. Last date of submission, 20th August 2025. Place of interview, ECS office, Twinsong. Send your resume to ecrsmis20@gmail.com. For details, contact 9362605215.
Nagaland University job.
Nagaland University, Lumami, invites applications for the post of guest faculty in the Department of Zoology. Eligibility, as per UGC 2018 rules for assistant professor. Interested candidates must email their CVs along with scanned and self-attested copies of their certificates and mark sheets to HODzoology at nagalanduniversity.ac.in on or before 22nd August 2025. The honorarium for guest faculty will be $1,500 per lecture, subject to a maximum of $50,000 per month for PhD holders and $1,000 per lecture, subject to a maximum of $25,000 per month for those without PhD. Interviews will be conducted online or offline, and the date, time, and link will be informed later to eligible candidates. The engagement is purely temporary for the current semester and will continue for 6 months or until the appointment of regular faculty. For more details, visit www.nagalanduniversity.ac.in. Nagaland University invites applications for 1 guest faculty in the Department of Psychology at Kohima campus, Mariema. Eligibility, as per UGC Regulations 2018 for assistant professor. Interested candidates must email scanned, self-attested copies of certificates and mark sheets from HSLC onwards to psychology@nagalanduniversity.ac.in on or before 22nd August 2025. Honorarium, rupees 1,500 rupees per lecture, up to rupees 50,000 rupees per month for PhD holders, and rupees 1,000 per lecture, up to rupees 25,000 per month for non-PhD candidates. Interviews will be held online or offline, and details will be shared with shortlisted candidates. The position is for the current semester, with engagement for 6 months or till regular faculty appointment.
Teaching job.
Don Bosco College, Kohima invites applications for the following posts: Psychology, 1 post; Education, 1 post; Botany, 1 post. Desirable candidates should have PhD or MA with NET qualification. Applications along with photocopies of supporting documents may be submitted at the college or emailed to dbcirkinterview@gmail.com on or before the 18th of August 2025. For details, contact 60-097-30949 or 94362-83185. Don Bosco College Kohima, website dbekohima.ac.in. Unity College of Teacher Education, Dimapur, invites applications for the post of Pedagogy of Teaching Science. The minimum qualification required is Master of Science in Physics, Applied Physics, Chemistry, Applied Chemistry, Botany, or Zoology, with at least 55% marks, along with MEd and NET in education. Candidates with PhD in education and teaching experience will be preferred, as per NCTE Regulations of 2014. Interested candidates should submit their applications with photocopies of documents and a passport-size photograph, either by post or by email, to the Principal, Unity College of Teacher Education, Residency Colony, PWD Area, Dimapur, Nagaland, on or before 27 November 2024.
Other job.
Experienced website developer and IT support wanted. We are looking for a qualified and self-driven individual with experience in website development and maintenance. along with basic knowledge of hardware and software troubleshooting. Location, Dimapur. For details, contact on WhatsApp at 9436003559. The International Financial Services Centers Authority, a statutory unified regulatory body under the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, invites applications from eligible Indian citizens for various positions of young professionals, consultants grade 1, and consultants grade 2 on a contractual basis. The place of posting will be Gift City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Interested candidates may visit www.ifscm.gov.in/career for detailed vacancy notification. The last date for receipt of applications along with requisite documents is the 22nd of August, 2025 by 6 p.m. The Indian Air Force invites unmarried Indian male and female candidates to appear in the recruitment rally for Agnivir Vayu. The rally will be held from 27th August to 4th September, 2025 at Barapada Stadium, Panjapur Police Station, Barapada Town, Mayurbhanj District, Odisha. Eligibility. Candidates must be unmarried and born between 1st January 2005 and 1st July 2008. Educational qualifications include passing 10+2 or equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate and 50% in English, or a 2-year vocational course with the same criteria, or a 3-year diploma in engineering from recognized boards. Reporting time at the rally venue is 6 a.m. on the 27th of August, the 30th of August, and the 2nd of September, with last reporting at 10 a.m. On 27th August, men from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, West Bengal, and Chhattisgarh may appear. On 30th August, men from Jharkhand, Odisha, and Sikkim may appear. On 2nd September, women from all these states are eligible. For full details, log on to agnipathvayu.cdac.in. That's all for this week's top job updates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jobs in Nagaland. Stay informed, stay ahead. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update. Disclaimer. The job updates shared on this channel are intended purely for informational purposes and are compiled from publicly available sources, such as official websites, government notifications, and verified news outlets. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy and reliability, we do not guarantee the completeness or correctness of all details. Viewers are strongly encouraged to cross-check all information with official notifications before applying. This channel is not affiliated with any government or private recruiting agency unless explicitly stated, and we are not responsible for any loss or issues arising from the use of this information.